اطلاع طائرة JF17 الباكستانية. After takeoff has leveled off and is running in from the right side to initiate search sequence. The aircraft is now performing an adjustment turn, and after that it will achieve a high G turn maneuver. كما نرى إحدى المناورات المميزة ل JF17 هنا في معرض الدفاع العالمي وإطلاق الشعلات الحرارية. The aircraft is now aligning for the high G turn. استخدام حاويات الدخان في دلالة على مسار الطائرة في مناورة ذات جاذبية مرتفعة توازي 7.5 أضعاف قوة الجاذبية المعتادة. You can see how the display pilot, using all his professional skills and acumen, is turning the aircraft 360 degrees while maintaining constant height while enduring high Gs. At the culmination of high G turn, pilot would adjust himself for 5 cubinate. You can now see the aircraft is rising up in the air, pulling 7.5 Gs. Ladies and gentlemen, you can look at the spectacles of JF17 turned rising up in Saudi Arabia's sky. Perfectly executed cubinate. After the cubinate, Turner 1 is adjusting himself for next move, which is 4.2. تملك طائرة JF17 سرعة قصوى تصل إلى 1.6 ماخ ضعف سرعة الصوت، مع نسبة قوة دفع عالية لوزن الطائرة، مجازة بإحدى جنس الطيران، ويمكنها حمل ذخيرة متنوعة يمكنكم رؤيتها في ساحة العروض الثابتة. 1 2 3 4. After the 4-point hold, Turner 1 is adjusting himself for the subsequent maneuver, the skid. فايتم قبل قليل مناورة الالتفاف الرباعي من طائرة JF17 عدو الطيار من اليسار. Ladies and gentlemen, JF17 has maximum speed of Mach 1.6 with high thrust to weight ratio. The Turner is equipped with the state-of-art avionics which enables it to carry out all weather operations under various environments. It is capable of BBR air-to-air engagements, air-to-surface and air-to-sea stand-off roles. The JF17 is sufficiently equipped for aerial reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and air-to-air refueling, providing operational benefits to fulfill the requirements of a modern battlefield. And all of this is coupled with extreme agility and maneuverability, which will be demonstrated in the next maneuver. Turner 1 is aligning himself for aileron rolls, followed by a cubinate. Ladies and gentlemen, JF17 Turner, the pride of Pakistan. Rising up in the skies of World Defense Show for the next maneuver, Q&A. كما سمعتم قبل قليل في مناورات يعلو فيها صوت محركة قوي والذي يكنى بصوت الرعد. عودة الطائرة JF17 فخر جمهورية باكستان الإسلامية للقيام بعدة مناورات تغير في ارتفاعها وسرعتها لتبين قدرة الطائرة. Beautifully executed cubinate followed by the pattern roll. The pattern roll asks for coordination of all three axes of pitch, roll and yaw at the same time to become inverted and still control the maneuver. The barrel roll would be culminated and transition into ever-daunting High Alpha Pass. تتطلب هذه المناورة التنسيق بين جميع محاور الحركة للطائرة أثناء تغيير اتجاه قمة القيادة. Ladies and gentlemen, where the JF17 aircraft is capable of exceeding the speed of sound and ultra-low-level flying, it is also equally capable of flying at slow speeds. Now the aircraft is going to perform the High Alpha Pass, and after that it will demonstrate muscle climb, in which the aircraft will climb by all by its own power. You can now see the aircraft flying at extremely slow speed, performing the High Alpha Pass and presenting its salute to the people of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. وفي تحية طائرة JF17 للجمهور الحاضر معنا في معرض الدفاع العالمي المرور بالسرعة البطيئة لأفضل فرصة لتصوير الطائرة. Ladies and gentlemen, heading to thunder, climbing into the blue yonder on brute muscle path. Ladies and gentlemen, now the aircraft is adjusting for the final maneuver of its display today, which includes vertical rolls. JF17 is now advancing towards the venue with its roaring thunder. في المناورة الختامية لليوم JF17 ستقوم بالالتفاف حول محورها أثناء اتجاه الجمهور في أمام صالات المعرض. Ladies and gentlemen, gaze upon the beauty, the elegance, Pakistan's pride, the JF17 Thunder pulling up, rolling and dissipating in the blue skies and paying tribute to the people of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and all the audiences. Aircraft is adjusting for the final maneuver of its display today, which includes vertical rolls. JF17 is now advancing towards the venue with its roaring thunder. في المناورة الختامية لليوم JF17 ستقوم بالالتفاف حول محورها أثناء اتجاه الجمهور في أمام صالات المعرض. Ladies and gentlemen, gaze upon the beauty, the elegance, Pakistan's pride, the JF17 Thunder pulling up, rolling and dissipating in the blue skies and paying tribute to the people of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and all the audiences.